Good morning, children. I am Shobana from St. John's Babanagar. A warm welcome to all of you. Standard 10th, Chapter 1 Outbreak of World War I and its Aftermath. The last part of the lesson, the League of Nations. Structure and composition of League of Nations. The Covenant of the League of Nations was formed at Paris Peace Conference. President Woodrow Wilson played a major role in drawing up the Constitution. The League. It consists of 5 bodies. They are the Assembly, the Council, the Secretariat, the International Court of Justice, International Labour Organization. Permanent members: Britain, France, Italy, Japan, and the US. Each member had 1 vote. All decisions had to be unanimous. The small nations possessed the rights to vote. Secretariat. It was located in Geneva. The first Secretary General, Sir Eric Drummond from Britain. International Court of Justice. It was set up at Hague with 15 judges. International Labour Organization. It comprised of a secretariat including 4 representatives from each country. Objectives of the League. The 2 objectives of the League are to avoid war and to maintain peace in the world, to promote international cooperation. Activities of the League 1920 to 1925. The League settled a number of disputes. Sweden and Finland regarding the Åland Island was settled. Poland and Germany frontier in Upper Silesia was settled. Greece and Bulgaria dispute was settled. Causes for the failure. It became the center of European diplomacy. It lacked military power. The principle of collective security could not be applied. Italy, Japan, and Germany refused to obey the orders. Britain and France were the major powers to act decisively. US could not convince his country to join the League. With this, we come to the end of the League of Nations. Thank you.